Hello children, welcome to your science class. So today we are going to revise our lesson and today we are going to firstly discuss about change of state. When a solid is heated, it changes into liquid. When liquid is heated, it changes into gas. When a gas is cooled, it changes into liquid, and when a liquid is cooled, it changes into solid. So here it is told that the states of matter can be changed from one form to another. If ice is heated, it changes into water. If water is heated, it changes into steam. If steam is cooled, it changes into water. And if water is cooled, it changes into ice. So below over here, you can see that how the arrows are shown and how the conversion is explained from one form to another form. What you can see on the slide, you can see that the particles are very close together and cannot move in case of ice. Okay, that means the particles are very tightly packed with each other. In case of water, the particles move faster and further apart as compared to solid, of course. If you compare the particles of water with solid, you will find that little more the particles can move faster. In case of boiling water, the particles are far apart and move very quickly and randomly. So, in case of gas, always remember that the particles move very fast and randomly. Okay, they move in any directions. So now, let's see what is melting and boiling. First, we will discuss what is melting, which is also known as fusion. The process of converting solid state into liquid state on heating is known as melting. That means when solids get converted into liquids by heating, it is known as melting. Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion is amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. The process of converting solid state into liquid state on heating is known as melting, or it is called as fusion. So now let's see what is boiling. The process of converting liquid into gaseous state on heating is known as boiling. So here in case of boiling, liquids get converted into gases. What is latent heat of vaporization? The heat energy required to change 1 kg of liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is known as latent heat of vaporization. So there is difference between latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. In case of fusion, it is said that 1 kg of solid turns into liquid, and here in case of vaporization 1 kg of liquid is turned into gas at atmospheric pressure. Now let's see what is sublimation. So ideally children, solids get converted into liquid and liquids get converted into gases. But in case of sublimation, solids get converted into gases directly without undergoing liquid state. For example, if camphor or ammonium chloride is heated, it changes into vapor. If the vapors are cooled, it changes into solid again, but it will never undergo liquid state. So in the image you can see that a china dish is kept. Ammonium chloride is taken in that china dish and inverted funnel is kept. So when you heat it, you will find it getting converted into gases directly. So I hope children you have understood the concepts.